Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Defy, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to find the display. Now let's tap on the wallpaper, and as you can see here we've got 3 different albums from which you can choose the wallpaper from. So you can choose it from Live Wallpapers, Google Photos, which is basically your own gallery, or defaultly installed wallpapers. And let me pick the last option. As you can see here we can check our current wallpapers which are applied on the lock screen and home screen, and under it we've got the wallpaper categories, so the albums from which we can choose the wallpaper. Here we've got My Photos, on-device wallpapers which are defaultly installed here, and some other albums, but be aware that you will be able to check them only if you will have the internet connection. So it's quite important, and I highly recommend to simply connect to the Wi-Fi, for example, or use your mobile data to find out those wallpapers. So all you have to do right now is to simply enter the album just by tapping on it. So let me pick for example the landscapes, and as you can see here you've got plenty of beautiful options from which you can choose, and basically all you have to do in order to check the preview of the particular wallpaper is to simply tap on it. So let me maybe pick this colorful one, and as you can see it will be immediately applied. You can change the position of the photo just by swiping, so you can frame it just like you want to. So I don't know, maybe something like that. Maybe. Here you can tap on preview in the right upper corner, and as you can see this info which was shown here will disappear, so you can check the full wallpaper. Let's say let's turn it off, and if you'd like to you can just set wallpaper just by tapping on this button. Right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick home screen this time. As you can see, as you could saw, we had the information that the wallpaper has been applied, so we can go back, and as you can see this is how our home screen looks like. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Motorola Defy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.